Hey YouTube, welcome back. It's O-Gauge CNR giving you another installment on how to build a trestle bridge. So after some trial and error, I found out that you're going to want to do this upside down. And the reason you're going to want to do it upside down is so that all the top pieces align at the same angle. Now you can see some measurement errors I made on my piers here, but that's okay. I can hide that with a styrofoam plate for the cement block at the end, at bottom of each bent. Now, you're also going to want to draw yourself a jig so you know exactly where the track sits. Make sure you turn your track upside down, otherwise you'll build your bridge backwards if you're doing a curve like mine. If you're doing a straight track, it can be the regular track up or down. Now, you're going to want to use a carpenter's square and start from one end and work your way to the other. You're going to want to use a carpenter's square to make sure that each one of these here sit as close to 90 degrees as possible. As you can see, I think I did a very good job. You might not see it because of the angle. Also, as you go, you're going to want to add your cross pieces on one or both sides. I just finished doing this here. I will be doing it on the other side as I go and continue to realign my bents. Now, I'm also going to be adding a solid stringer directly through each of these holes right here. They all line up perfectly to support a stringer, and I will do one for every 4 inches up. And I believe this should hold my bridge. If I back up over here, you can start to see where each one is on a true 90. But this big slop I built over here, they're all leaning to the right a little bit. Stay tuned. I hope you guys appreciate the fact I keep these videos short and sweet. I don't want to take your time discussing something that's just irrelevant to the entire video. I'm showing you how to build a bridge. But anyway, please remember to like, subscribe, and hopefully I can get you guys some videos of some trains running soon. Take care. O-Gauge CNR.